My name is Eszenyi, and I'm a visual effects supervisor and creative director, and I live in London. What I like about living and working in London is that there is always an intriguing little detail, whether that's architecture or whether that's history, or sometimes, that happens even in nature around you. And it's being a global hub of the film industry, so it's full of incredibly talented people. I work within the film and television industry. I have created title sequences for TV series and feature films. Sometimes I work with a group of designers and we create concepts and graphics and motion graphics for productions to be used on set. Sometimes I'm going to be on set and help the director and the DOP and make sure that everything is captured that needs to be used further down the line. And sometimes I work with a talented group of artists to finish shots and create environments that could not be captured in camera. So the project that I'm doing with the help of MSI is utilizing virtual production. And virtual production is a really hot topic these days. Big TV shows use it, smaller independent films started to use it. Essentially, what I'm trying to do is I try to replicate what they can do in those large LED volumes and scale it down to a more manageable level for the individual and see how it could be utilized in new and interesting ways. Digital visual effects are pretty much driven by computers from day one. And a good computer allows us to truly realize the ideas that we have. The MSI Creator Series P100 computer has 64 gigs of RAM and an i9 processor, so it's definitely easier to get to those images that I have in my head when I think of a project, and definitely enables me to work faster and to be generally more creative. MSI put a lot of thought into the design of the machine, so form meets the aesthetics meets technology is always great. I really like the ultra high resolution 5K monitor. It's widescreen and it has enough real estate to enable me to just use one monitor instead of several. The color renditions and the brightness are excellent, and it's really nice to see exactly on the screen in 5K what I have in my head. Another interesting aspect is the Creator Center. You can create profiles to enable you to utilize the resources. It finds the best solutions regardless of whether you are doing 3D modeling or texturing, and it really uses the resources the best way it can. The Creator Center itself and the whole computer really embodies the kind of thinking that I really admire, because it enables creators to do what they do best, and that is to create. My name is Eszenyi. I'm a visual effects supervisor and creative director, and I create with MSI.